Okay, so class, in this video, we're going to talk about the solution, and the solution basically is what you have to offer. And it's not necessarily the features and benefits. That is probably part of it, but it's more or less answering the question how. How are you, with your product or service, going to solve all of that pain and create that world that you had them imagine? So if I'm a fitness coach and I just painted this picture of the pain, I'm overweight, it's a problem, but what really hurts me is that I'm embarrassed and I can't fit into any clothes and I'm unattracted to the opposite sex and it makes me lack confidence. And now you're telling me that there's the possibility that I could wake up every morning feeling fit and refreshed and attractive and sexy to the opposite sex. How? How am I going to do that? Now you present your solution about how you're going to do that. And you're not giving them all the details, of course, because this is a call to action video to get them to take the next step to solve that issue, solve that problem, to solve that pain. And so those are some of the things you want to bring out. You want to bring out your solution. Now, for instance, if you're selling treadmills, let's say a feature would be that there's an incline. You can incline the up to 12 grade incline on your treadmill. That might be a feature, but really the benefit or the solution is because you burn more calories, because it goes up at a 15-degree incline or whatever it might be, you can walk and burn off more calories. By burning more calories, you're going to lose weight. Or it could be that you have a specific diet plan if you're a dietitian and you're going to eat a specific method of eating vegetables in a certain way because that's going to increase your metabolism versus the way that you're used to eating, or whatever it might be. So don't get confused between features and the specific solution. Now, the features are part of it, but go a little deeper. And again, to give you an example, if the treadmill can go at 20 miles an hour, which doesn't exist, but if it could, that's great, but to the customer, they don't care. So what, it goes 20 miles per hour. What is that going to do for me? And how is it going to help me to look better and to feel better and to get in shape? All those types of things. So that is the solution. Present your solution in a way that's going to be understandable to your customer, to the viewer, and it's going to answer the how question. How are you, as the person I'm watching, how are you going to help me solve that pain and bring that world that I imagined in my head? How are you going to bring that to a reality? So that's the solution. And the next video is the final video, and it's going to be the specific call to action. Thanks, and I'll see you there.